Hey guys, we're live at 8:17. As you can see there, I got 10 spots. We're running a 3-winner mini for this Super Sweet Taiwan Fett. Top 3 win spots in the main there. I'm going to paste our list of 10 entries in here, which you can see there. Going to roll the bones. Got to get a 5 or better to play, which we didn't. So I'm rolling them again. This time, we did. We got a 5. So we're good to go. Good luck, guys and gals, or guys. Here we go. Spencer takes round 1. Brian 2. Ryan takes round 3. Brian in the top spots for the next to last round, round 4, bringing us to the last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Brian and Ryan. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. We'll make it legit. ZBZ RFD is the verification. There is our results, meaning I'm done at 8:18 p.m. There it is. One last time, the results. Congrats, guys. See you in the main. Thanks a lot.